Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making creamy Rizo vegan pasta with less ingredients. Oil 2 tablespoons, chopped onion 1 cup, saute for 2 minutes on medium heat. Rizo pasta 1 cup, saute for 2 minutes on medium heat. Tomato paste 3 tablespoons, pasta masala 2 tablespoons. Mix everything, saute for 2 minutes on medium heat. Salt as per taste. Vegan cream, I am using peanut one, 4 tablespoons. Water 1 cup. Mix everything. Close the lid, cook on medium heat for 10 minutes. Enjoy rainy season with this creamy, soupy pasta. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon. Whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.